Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. These are the auto cars or for doors, bumpers, fenders. I got 58 piece of this hole with the plastic rivets, retainer clips. I got this from China for $2.19. So I figure if you go to like a AutoZone or O'Reilly, you can only maybe buy a couple of these for like, I think they charge you about $2 or $3, versus I got 50 pieces directly from the manufacturer. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So there you go. This is the I don't know, in the picture it shows neon green. So this one's like a yellowish, greenish color. So this one does not come with a screw, so you just had to pop the screw in there and then install it. Oh my god, kind of cheap. When I bend it, it has that line already. Hopefully this is not gonna break too easy. Ooh. Let's count real quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Yep. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.